Hello, my name is Sudhakar, and today I'm presenting my project titled Trending Product Detector. And the tagline of my project is From Historical Data to Future Bestseller. This project falls under the track of artificial intelligence and business analytics. Now, our problem statement is that many businesses today, especially small to medium sized ones, collect a vast amount of sales data. However, they often lack the tools and expertise to extract predictive insight from the data. This lead to a reactive approach in managing their business, making decision based only on past performance. This can result in poor inventory management, like overstocking unpopular items or running out of product just as it's becoming a bestseller. The core problem is the difficulty in accurately answering the critical question, that is, what will our next hit product be and when should we prepare for it? Now, if we go to project outcomes, the outcome of this project is a streamlit based interactive application that allows businesses to upload their sales data, analyze trends, and forecast future top selling products using AI powered models. The system generate dashboards, identify best selling products, and predict peak demand period with detailed visual insights. Okay. Now, if we talk about objective of this project is build an AI powered tool to analyze historical sale data. The second one is forecast the next set of best selling product. And the third objective of my project is provide interactive dashboard for decision making. And other one is help business optimize inventory and maximize revenue. If we talk about methodology, my approach centers on time series forecasting, like data set. If we first talk about the data set, the application is designed to work with any standard sales data set in a CSV format, requiring requiring at a minimum a product name, an order date, and a sales value. If we talk about tools and technology, the project is built entirely in Python. I use Streamlit for the front-end web application, and Panda for all data manipulation, and Plotty for creating the interactive visualizations. The core of the project is the prompt forecasting library, a powerful tool developed by Meta that is excellent at handling seasonal business data. Okay, now we go to implementation, and firstly I tell you how we implement it, and after that I'll tell you a demo or how it works. Now, if we talk about the implementation, the application is built with a two-part architecture. The first one is front end, and the second one is back end. The front end, built with Streamlit, named as F4 Python in front of you, handles all user interactions. This includes the file uploader and the interactive column mapping wizard, and the tabbed interface that display the dashboard and forecast results. If we talk about the backend, which is the forecasting engine named as product predictor, which is a Python file, here in front of you, contains the core logic where a user requests a forecast. This script iterates through every unique product in the dataset. For each one, it trains a detective prompt model, predicts sale for next 365 days, and identify the future date with the highest predicted sales volume. Let's walk through how it works. This is the main page where you can upload your sales data. I'll start by uploading a sample sales CSV file. Okay, I browse file, I upload the file. As you can see, the app immediately show a preview of the data, so I can verify it's correct. Okay, now next in step one here, I need to map my data. Okay, so my product name column is correctly identified. If in our data set product name is in somewhere like description or other, it will show description or other name. Okay, and now I'll select my order date column for sale. For sale, this where for sale my data set has only sale column. Okay, if your another data set has quantity and price also, if we select it, it gives us two options, but as we have only one column, so I'll select the sales column. Now I'll click prepare and validate data. Once the data is prepared, three new tabs appear here: dashboard, forecast, bestseller, and product deep dive. So let's start with the dashboard. Here we get instant overview of the business, total sales, number of unique products, a bar chart of top 10 historical bestseller. In our in our data set, we have only 4 products. That's why it's showing 4 bar graphs. Okay, and a line chart showing the overall sales trend over time. Okay, showing over time sales data like here. Now, if we talk about second tab, which is forecast bestseller, in the forecast bestseller tab, I'll click run AI forecast. Right now, the backend is training a unique machine learning model for every single product in the dataset. This might take a moment. Okay. Yeah. Now, here's the result. The AI has generated a ranked leaderboard of predicted top bestseller, but here we have only 4. And showing the product name, its predicted peak month, and the estimated sale it might achieve at its peak. Okay. Below the table, we get a detailed forecast graph here. Detailed forecast graph for the number one predicted product, showing historical sales, the forecast trend, the uncertainty interval, and a clear annotation marking the predicted peak month. Finally, if we click over product deep dive, this tab allows for granular analysis. I can select any product from the drop down menu. As I select here fitness tracker. Okay, so now after it, I click on the get detail forecast. Here the app will instantly generate a detailed forecast just for fitness tracker. This is incredibly used for analyzing the potential of product that aren't in the top 5. That's all my model in front of you. Talk about the results and observation. The model successfully identify potential bestseller and visualize their future sales pattern. For example, the app highlights peak demand months and estimates sales for each product, enabling business to make proactive decisions. Observations so that the tool can provide accurate and actionable insights even with a mid-sized dataset. And if we talk about next, that is our conclusion. And the conclusion here is a trending product detector bridge the gap between sales data and predictive business intelligence. It helps businesses plan inventory, optimize resources, and maximum profit. And if we talk about future improvement, I plan to integrate real-time data from e-commerce platform, enhance accuracy using advanced assemble models, and expand the app with feature like customer segmentation and price optimization. And after at the end, thank you for watching my project demo. That's it.